Imagine you lend your friend 500 bucks and he promises to return it in 2 days. 2 days pass, then a week, then a month, and all you hear are excuses. How does that feel? Annoying, right? More than the money, it's about trust. Now flip the script. What if you are the one breaking promises? What if people start doubting your word? Why does this matter? Trust is like a phone battery. Once drained, it takes time to charge. When people realize that your words mean nothing, they stop taking you seriously. And the worst part, even you will stop believing in yourself. Every broken promise, every excuse, every chalta hai attitude cuts away your self respect and self confidence. Think of promises as your bank balance. Every time you keep your word, you deposit trust. Every time you break it, you withdraw trust. If you keep making false promises, your account will hit rock bottom and no one will lend you respect anymore. So, how to be a man or woman of your word? Don't make promises that you can't keep. No false hopes, no disappointments. If you say you will be there, be there. The lesson is if you can't commit, don't fake it. Simple. Mean what you say. Say only what you can do. Your honesty will be respected. Do what you say. Don't be the person who forgets promises every time. If you promise something, you must fulfill that. Do it without fail. Never lie. Truth is always better than excuses. Own up to your mistakes. People respect honesty more than the fake excuses. Don't play with people's emotions. Be genuine in your words and actions. If you don't, sooner or later, your reputation will take a hit. Don't say things just to impress. Be honest. People respect truth over empty words. If you don't, congratulations, you will lose your credibility. So, the ultimate rule is under promise, over deliver. If you want to earn people trust and admiration, promise less and deliver more. Instead of saying, I will get this done in 1 day and failing, say, it might take 2 days and finish it in one. Great, you just exceeded expectations. Your word is your identity. Break it too many times and you become just another person people can't trust. But if you stand by what you say, you will be valued, respected, and admired. So be the person whose word is gold. Now, poetry time. A promise made is not just air, it shows your heart, it proves you care. Say less, do more, that's the way. Earn some trust with what you say. Don't be the one who is all just talk, be the one who walks the walk. Your word is your bond, your silent crown. Break it once, and it all falls down.